Okay na. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Oh, dah. Ya, ma'am. Hello. Okay, Ray. Vlogger mo ko. Okay, Ray. Upload na ko.
Okay na, sir.
Wala shout out?
Ay, shout out no, Lord.
Okay. Ay, pwede na kagada. Kung na-shoutout, shoutout lang. Na? Wala. Oh, may shoutout, may shoutout.
Shoutout video.
Dia. Okay ba? Ay, dia, guys.
Sir, sir, sir.
Oy, waon mo artista, okay ra? Okay ra, artista mo, okay ra?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Ako lang bahalin po, sir.
Oh, wow, apil mo ka busy.
Yan po, Ani. Hello.
Oh, hello, wanted
Looking for
na.
a handsome boyfriend?
Ako sa atong ipangita, babae lalaki.
Depende, sir.
Ah, depende. Okay.
Karon, sanay.
Ah, karon laki daw. Oh. Diri na rin sa Francisco School. Okay, shout out, goy.
Shout out sa mga estudyante sa Francisco Ramos National High School. Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Yeah, sir.
Shout out sa Bunais Dance Group, Bunais Rami Larcor.
Thank you.
You may also please everyone. Center stage, we have a new president, Mavinos Alcantara. Our vice president, Ma'am Edwin Perolino. Our secretary, we have Ma'am Christine Official. Our treasurer, we have Sir Rogelio Pescadero. Our auditors, we have Sir Leo Maan and Ma'am Rosemary Del Ramos. For our teacher representative, and great men, we have Ma'am Maria. Thank you very much, Sir Louie. Congratulations to our newly elected SC Council. Here, Leadership Digaya.
Officers, kindly raise your right hand and follow after me. I state your name. Having been elected as an officer of the School Parents Teachers Association. Congratulations.
Something like that, Sir. And congratulations to all the newly elected SDTA officers.
Madam Venus Alcantara, I officially entrust to you the leadership of this organization. Together with its records, assets, ongoing projects, responsibilities, and financial resources, I have every confidence in your ability to lead with integrity, transparency, accountability, and compassion. May you continue the programs we have started and introduce new initiatives that will further strengthen the partnership between parents